Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, Cars, DIY, and Adventures. I'm up here with Jason and Jax, our YouTube car storage garage and project garage. And I have a lot of different vehicles in here. And what is something that runs on gasoline, an internal combustible engine always need to run? It needs fuel, it needs spark, and it needs air. If you don't have airflow, if you don't have spark, and if you don't have fuel, you're going nowhere. Now, when you're diagnosing some of these older Mercedes or Land Rovers or even this old 48 Chrysler, you could always be swapping out the spark plugs and making sure that the plug is still good or not bad, or you could use this Ancel spark plug tester. It takes 2 seconds to test a spark plug. Why not have one of these in your toolbox? I'm gonna unpackage this, show you what's in the box, and we're gonna do a test on a brand new spark plug and what I think is a bad spark plug. Let's go. So let's go ahead and hop over here to the workbench and take a peek at this spark plug tester. This is a really good thing to have in your toolbox because if you have any old cars, like I'm working on this Land Rover Range Rover L322, and I know it has a misfire, I'm going to test the spark plugs at some point using this. But this is the Ancel spark plug tester. It is the SP02. It's pretty darn simple to use. It's going to come in this box. This is the Ancel SP02. It's about 36 bucks. You can get it on Amazon. In the box, you're going to get the power cable. It's just going to plug into a normal outlet. And overall, there's not really a whole lot going on here. You're going to be able to change the actual spark that you're sending to it. It can go up to 6,000 RPMs per minute, so you can mimic if you're really firing something like in your vehicle or whatnot. It does a high voltage indicator for the spark plug. So the way that you would test this, you would take your spark plug. This is a brand new NGK spark plug. I use these on the little mopeds quite frequently. If you were putting this in a car, you would put it and you would tighten it in, and then you would put the the little tiny thing on top that actually creates the power to the spark plug, which creates a spark. This is going to emulate that, and we want to see spark up here. So you're going to just pop it in. Keep this turned all the way to 500, or I have it off. You heard it click. It's off. Then you're going to want to take your power cable and you're going to want to plug it in, shut the lid because it is creating a spark, and then you just turn it on. And you can see right there, I'm at 2,000 RPM. It's actually creating that spark, which is pretty darn cool. So that's running it at 500 RPM. And if you can see in here, I'm going to try to get you a little bit closer. It's actually sparking, so you can see that, hey, this spark plug is actually doing what it should be doing. Let me tilt this up. I don't think it has any sensors to prohibit that. But you can see in there, it's actually generating a spark. I know that quickly this is a good spark plug. However, what if I want to test a bad spark plug? I think I have some bad plugs. Let's go look. So in this old display cabinet, I have a display of old spark plugs, believe it or not. Really old ones here, old Champions, Sun Power. I'm just gonna randomly pull one of these older AC power spark plugs. It might be good, I don't know, but I'm assuming the bad plugs will put back in the boxes. But this is one way to maybe test it. Okay, I'm gonna follow the exact same process on which, yeah, this has got to be a cranky old plug. It looks pretty rusty and nasty in here. So let's find out. Hopefully this thing doesn't like explode or something. Pop the old plug in. This plug is ancient. It doesn't have a date. But this is an old plug. Shut the lid. This is in the off position. Plug this in and then turn it on. It's actually sparking. That's funny. I thought for sure this plug would have been bad. Let's test 2 plugs at once. Let's put this thing under some testing here. Shut it. Plug it in. I got 2 spark plugs firing now. Now I'm really eager to find a bad spark plug. This is an ancient Motor King high compression spark plug, spark compression tested out of what used to be in Omaha, Nebraska. Motor King is a high compression spark plugs, are compression leak proof, and are also spark compression tested. This is an ancient plug here. I would be shocked if these work, because you buy these old parts just as kind of collectors. Look, it has that little thing on it too. It looks like it's never been used. So, even though this is ancient, it may have never actually been used. A little bit of corrosion here, it looks like. But let's just test it out of curiosity. Put that on, shove it. Old plug works too. So I got a bunch of things in a collector cabinet that actually work just fine. If you can see that in there, it is sparking as well. An old Motor King high compression spark plug that I thought for sure was going to be bad. So I got this one plugged back in. 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. So it's under high voltage going up to 6,000 RPM, and I can see it sparking A-OK in there. So that's really, how you do want to test this thing. You can see that spark. Well, that's the Ancel SP02 spark plug tester. A little less than 40 bucks on Amazon. It will show up to your house in a day or two. And it's a great piece of kit to have in your toolbox as you're working on projects that are requiring a spark plug, i.e. old cars, tractors, whatever the case might be. This is Jason with jamzDOTnet. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to give us a subscribe. We're all about cars, DIY, and adventures.